is driven by a desire to intimidate, and although it is wrong in any context, it remains a pervasive issue. So, what can you do as a parent? First, understand that you cannot control the actions of others, particularly within a school setting. What you can do is prepare children for the unexpected and equip yourself with the tools to support them if they become victims of bullying. Mr. David Samuels, who faced this challenge firsthand, shares his journey of supporting a child through bullying. If your children come to you and say they are being bullied, let them share their experience without judgment. It's important to acknowledge their emotions and reassure them that they are not alone.
When he was about 5 years old, and he spoke about the fact of what other student was saying about him, and I guess he felt the impact of what they were saying. So he came home to share what was happening to him.
No matter what you hear, stay composed and remind your child that bullying does not define who they are.
My first reaction, from my understanding in terms of how the world is, that there are good people, there are bad people, people have their own weaknesses, including children have their own weaknesses, and some of these things are played out within the context of a school setting. So I didn't get hysterical, but to assure him of who he was and is, and that people may say something, but he doesn't have to take it personal, right? Because there's provision for him in terms of his home setting.
Create an environment where they can openly talk about school, their emotions, and what they are going through.
Because he's weaker on his right side, right? And so he tends not to use the hand very much. And so they'll pass remarks like, like one-handed or, kind of thing. And so, when he comes home and, share things like that, we assured him that he's special.
Help your child understand that bullying may stem from others' insecurities or weaknesses. Encourage them to rise above negativity.
What happened is that sometimes when they see him, they do not understand his talents and potential. Right? And then when they see how well he does things, then they, get jealous or, pass remarks about that. So on both sides, he gets it. When he's like at school, he can sometimes get very quiet, and things that he could do, he probably don't do it because, of course, he doesn't sometimes know how people would react or the other students would react.
If bullying persists, speak to school officials, and if necessary, explore options like changing schools.
No, we have moved him a couple of times because we found out that one or two of the schools, it wasn't working out because I don't know if there's, and I don't think he was the only person, but there were others in both schools. They never cater for that kind of thing to help the students that are being looked down on or are being bullied, so to speak. The moment we did that, he did better, especially now where he is at.
Focus on your child's strengths, talents, and passions.
I think the role of the parents is very important. And I'm not putting down counselors, because you have to remember that that child spends most of the time with you, and in these early years of their life, they're with you. And so you have to position yourself to encourage, to affirm, to highlight the child's giftings and talents, what they bring to the table, highlight the good things about them and not the negative things.
By following these steps, listening, staying calm, creating a space for open communication, teaching resilience, getting involved and promoting confidence, you can help your child navigate the challenges of bullying. Remember, hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can.